When I get home, rush to see if she called or even left a message for me. In a flash, all alone. Am I just a fool addicted to my phone? In the morning, feel a yearning for this girl. Got to find a way to keep her grounded in this world, so she doesn't fly away. Don't fly away. Don't fly away. Want you to stay. Up until this point, didn't matter if she was mine. Oh, things changed. Got me daydreaming, wishing I could take her home. Lay it down by the bed, pain for her, the vision swimming in my head, but I don't even dare brave such a thing to scare her, causing her to fly away. Don't fly away. Don't fly away. Want you to stay. Don't fly away. Don't fly away. Don't fly away. Want you to stay. I really want you so bad, you see, babe. Loving you is like a mystery.